Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family, coming to you live from Kenya, Africa. Actually, in a county called Kaimbu, and actually we're just checking out on some, estate house at the moment. And as you can see, guys, this is what we actually looking at. There's different phases. This is a 4-bedroom, right? 4-bedroom, 5-bedroom, 3-bedroom. In this estate, 3, 4, 5 family. So, guys, we're just gonna give you a tour of inside of what this 4-bedroom look like. I hope you enjoy. Let's go. Okay.
Thank you.
This is
You think these ones are new?
Yeah,
They
this
look
one's
new
new.
actually. They
Yeah.
can see the door and everything. Now I love them.
yeah.
She's saying they're waiting for. Will you promise me you'll give me a call?
Yes, I'll give you.
Please save my number.
They're waiting for what? They're waiting for?
People.
They're waiting for?
You're waiting for 3 people to give the confirmation?
No, yeah, I'm waiting for 2 people here.
Mhm.
The owners for this phase 2,
Mm-hmm.
they already have confirmation the person is moving out, but they're only showing when the person has already moved
Moved out. They were quite sure.
So they have
And they say it will range around 100.
100
Depending on.
for the 3,
Uh-huh.
and then the ones in phase 1 are going to be below 100.
Below 100.
Yeah, because they're
That's
older.
affordable.
okay.
Oh, they're a bit older.
Yeah, but
Well-
they're nice. They have a really nice compound.
Mm-hmm.
And the sizes, they're almost comparably the same size, but they have a bigger kitchen in phase 1.
Oh, they have a bigger kitchen. What of the design? Like
The
ready to make
design
here
is
and all
kind
that?
of similar. It's on, they don't share well with the neighbor, so it's their own compound.
Ah.
Yeah, so it depends on
Like
what
here you
you
can
like.
see you're sharing the wall
Yeah,
with
you
my
share the
neighbor.
wall, but it's hard to
It's
notice that
hard to
you're
Yeah,
sharing,
yeah,
but
yeah,
you
yeah.
share a wall with your neighbor.
Yeah.
There's others that you can find, they're standalones, but those ones are hard to find.
Please save my number. I'm really in need of a house. Tuanzie hapa.
Yeah, the
Oh.
guest toilet.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Love. It's nice.
Yeah.
I just live here in 4 ways.
It's similar. It's a similar making, but
Yeah,
Yeah,
similar.
Yeah,
Let me
similar.
show you the garden.
Yes,
the
please.
garden.
But I love the setup at least so that you can show people what to clean up.
Yeah, so this is the garden.
Wow,
The
it's
plot
nice.
itself is a 40 by 80. Everyone has an underground tank of 2,000 liters. And
Wow.
then the overhead we have 2 for the SQ and the main house.
Okay. So water, no shortage.
No shortage.
Oh,
We
sure.
have borehole and municipal council that can be very reliable. Yeah.
Right. So you can choose to do my dining room.
Yeah, you can do your dining here. You can really manage how you like. Connected to our lights, so that's okay. So this
No
is
problem.
your
The pantry. Okay. No lights?
No lights.
Sound.
So anyway, we put a water purifier because our storage mixes warm water and municipal water.
Wow.
So you can drink from the small tap. All you need is to turn it on.
Wow.
Oh, it
Okay.
purifies
Filter.
them.
Yeah.
Wow.
So the occasional changing of the filters or the only maintenance, but I think if your landlord does it for you.
Yeah. Oh, the storage is nice.
Yeah.
Storage is nice. Women with storage. Right.
And then this is the area, the laundry washing machine here.
Okay.
This is the desk here.
Wow. The bedrooms are this cute.
Yes, they all have.
Oh, nice.
So you have a toilet, shower, and a sink.
Alright.
Yeah, this is an instant heater, but the rest of the house has a solar heater for the shower.
Wow.
Yeah, we also still have an element, so it will work almost the same as the solar heater.
Ah. Alright.
SQ.
This is what when she wakes up, she can just start her laundry.
Yes, it's at the perfect spot.
Yeah.
So now it's the bedroom time.
Oh,
Go up, sweetie, go up. So rest of them have a 3-bedroom, right?
yes, she's telling me she's sure that I'm just waiting for the owners to confirm
Yeah.
and give it out. So
Guess we have to move here then, sweetie,
I
right?
think we have a spot.
This is the spot. This is a kid's room.
But I love this wood.
Mm.
I like this wood. The shelves
Mm.
and drawers. It's like a kid's room.
Yeah,
8 feet of 8 by 6.
yeah, 5 by.
From
6.
outside out to here.
Wow, it's very
It's
it's
big and it's
space.
not small.
I think the smaller bed is okay, sweetie.
Yeah.
Room, that's like
This is bedroom 1. Oh, this
so
one is
4
bigger.
beds, a little bit bigger.
This one is bigger.
It's four bedroom.
I think they can just put a minimal bed like whatever is there.
Mm-hmm.
But here you can put a fire. Yeah. So these ones share.
Wow.
Yeah. So when you share, so these 2 rooms, they share this.
Mm-hmm.
Love it. And the ice is the front bedroom.
Okay.
Sorry?
Linen closet.
Ah, alright. Okay. I love how they are considerate of everything.
Yeah.
Oh, this looks
So
nice.
here is the master.
Master bedroom.
Yeah. Has enough lighting.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's big.
It's really nice.
So now the difference with
The theory.
kind of the with the 3 and the 4 is the arrangement of the bedrooms. So this is the second bedroom. And the first bedroom is a small one. The master goes to where the 2 bedrooms are.
Well, the other room
Yes,
is.
I'll show you.
Oh.
Because I don't think we have pictures.
Okay.
But I can check.
You can share. But this looks nice.
It looks nice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so now that is the bedroom number 2.
The first one is going to be this.
So there's a bathroom in between them,
Mm-hmm.
and the master now it becomes the entrance is here.
Ah.
So there's a walk-in closet in between and a bathroom at the end of it.
Oh, wow.
For the 2. For the 2.
For the master now, for the 3 bedrooms.
Mhm. I mean,
Uh,
the way you've told me here, you're expecting 2 houses on the other side. One. The old one and these new ones.
oh, this one, sorry.
Mhm.
This one is a bit different.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but it's
But is this a slight difference?
yeah, it's slightly different, but we'd have to show you so you can
No
understand.
problem.
Yeah, but
Please save that number.
we have to save it.
Nikana nikikusumbua. I don't know after how long.
It's okay, I will because the owner has told us to put it out. It was
This is fast.
21st. He said to waiting for them to move out so that he can show it because he was running, I think he wanted to see the damage of the house.
Oh yeah, yeah. It used to be really nice.
So that and then we give it, you can call me when they move out and then maybe you can contact you then and then so it will be 30. So it's 30. I'll call you before then.
Number again 38.
It's 38.
That's 38.
Yeah, I'll see you.
Your name is?
Please.
Faith.
Yeah.
Let me save it just for the video. Make sure. I
Yeah.
don't forget kindly.
Okay, we will.
Yeah, we need to move on.
Are you
Yes, you can-
only considering Eden?
You have others? Standalone?
We have something in the Indigo compound of 6 houses.
Ah,
And aliments, 100, 3 bedroom, 400.
We can see them also.
yeah.
What, okay. Let me get
How about
mine.
can I share a picture? If you look at the
That one. Yeah,
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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, so to keep it the same side, yes, the side of the different
That's true.
shades.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's fine. No problem. You can share pictures.
Let me release it and then I'll share
On the
pictures.
same number, yeah.
Yeah. Do you, if we have any other options?
The route is accessible. That's what I wanted to ask. If the compound, not the compound, the
Oh,
environment,
if
the neighborhood
it's
is
interior, because I haven't, I'll have to ask.
But if you send me the pictures, of course I see the house.
Yeah,
and
I
all
will
that.
let you know, like, and then if you are available in that week, I can see if I can arrange a meeting.
Yes, I am.
What
What time?
what's the requirement for the mortgage?
Oh, okay. It depends on the bank.
Ah,
It
okay.
depends. We have banks like NCBA, ABSA, Stanbic. So it will depend
So which
on
bank
the
is easier? Like you
Let's
find
say
that?
the easiest to work with is NCBA.
Ah,
But if you also have Stanbic is the second best.
ah,
So NCBA has a requirement. They can do 100% or
ah.
105.
Wow.
You can also do 90-80, depends on what you do. So you would need a deposit of like 20% or 10% if you're a business owner. But for employed, they give up to 105%.
Ah, okay.
Yes, especially if you work for the government.
Oh, okay, yeah, okay.
So the price for mortgage is 25.9.
Ah,
So we'll have to come up to about 4 million.
4 million, okay.
4 million, around there, 4.3.
Ah,
As the deposit, there's also extra things that you need that come up to about 1.6.
Okay.
Like stamp duty, registration, deposit for the water, sewer line,
Yeah.
things
A
like
lot
that.
of, okay.
So that's an extra 1.6. Yeah.
So a total of like 6 million approximately.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Last question. The price of the house for buying?
For buying, if you're buying cash, it's 25.9.
If for bedroom?
Yes.
20?
24.25, sorry. If it's mortgage, it's 25.9.
3 bedrooms?
3 bedrooms,
You sold out everything, you just have the floor.
Yeah.
Sawa.
We have about 15 options to choose from. So if you don't like this location, we can get you another one. Yeah.
So you have phase 1 up to phase?
We will have a phase 3, but not now. Maybe in the coming years, like when you come here in 2-3 years ago, you'll find. But if you're interested in buying phase 3, you can keep me in the loop.
Okay. You do like off plan or something?
Yes, but they're doing apartments.
apartments, okay.
Yeah.
For now, I think a standalone will work for us. With kids and stuff.
Yeah, I'll let you know for the phase 1 and also then I'll send you the decor.
Kindly.
Yeah.
Sawa. Thank you so much. Yeah, we appreciate.
Thank you for coming. I'll send you.
I'll be waiting for for the pictures and for the call.
Yeah. If you want to call and inquire, this is a picture. And if the numbers are better.
Okay. No problem. Sawa. Thank you. I have a good evening.
Thank you.
Alright. We might go for like 110,000, right?
Okay.
For rent.
But
you can always discuss with the owner. But
Yeah,
I think
yeah.
100k is affordable if you ask me.
For this estate.
Yeah, I think it's worth it if you ask me.
So what about the old one?
And then the old will be like less than 100, but now she cannot say, depends with the landlord.
And that old one is with you, and the other phase?
I don't know on face. I'm not understanding this face is right, but I don't know on face which one. But it will be like maybe like a 80 or 90 or 85, whichever way, somewhere there. But now she's saying these ones are a bit improved. Like you understand, like they still don't have the old.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
All right, family. So as you
But I
can
love how the kitchen is big. We
It's
can
big,
stay even
yeah.
3 of us. There's ample working top and stuff.
yeah.
So she's going to send, and then she's saying, if I'm only considering Edenville, so she's saying the others at Tendegwa. See, there are 6 on that compound, 3 bedroom each. So there are 6 on that compound, 3 bedroom each, going for 100k.
Okay.
Yeah, own compound.
All right, family. So you hear
so
that?
I don't know whether out of the 6 people we are sharing the compound, but I don't think 6 is a huge number.
Not that huge. Maybe you're supposed to have your own compound.
But again, she's saying she'll send me the photos. So once you like maybe the inside and stuff,
Mm-hmm.
you can always go and see them.
All right, family.
Because we really need. Why are you in a rush though?
Not in a rush.
Why?
The battery low.
Okay, because until you've confused me. Well, we really need a house. As you can see, we are adding a family, and the house we are living in right now, as you guys, you remember when we were looking for this house where we're living in right now, I wasn't really contented with it. Number one, I don't like the kitchen. It's too small for me, and also the rooms, I feel like sometimes I'm suffocating, but I'm not suffocating. But yani, we just need change for New Year's, and of course, we're adding a newborn here.
Yeah, family. So let's show you what the compound look like. Let's go.
But I feel like we've gotten enough information, if you ask me.
Yeah, I feel like yours is very good.
Yeah.
We just need to actually.
It's so nice.
We just need to put our heads together now.
Until I felt like we bumped on something.
Put our heads together.
But Bubu, once she communicates, she's so. Bubu, if she can tell us before you pay Nanio, if she can tell us before we will discuss that after.
Yeah, family. This is the 4-bedroom.
But I like it. I like how. Well, I don't know whether it has just been clean, but I don't like
It's
how
similar. It's similar to where we live right now.
It's similar. Okay.
Similar,
the
same-
similarity
similarity.
is the walkabout. Asante, nimempata.
Yeah, I think it's similar, family.
The similarity is the pathway.
But this is way better because it's big.
It's way better.
And where we're staying right now, the kids them not stop disturb us.
Hey,
As you can see,
because
the
of
kids,
balls
we live
and
right in
stuff.
front of the kids them and they come and play. It's a bit small, you know, but as you know, it's a bit
This
near
one
to
is
the
not
city.
small.
This one is not small. The kids them have their own playing ground, so they don't need to come and bother you, fam.
Oh, it's this way or that?
We're just going this way to see what it's like.
Yeah.
Yeah, family. So watch it. As you can see, the kids them out.
Yeah. But I feel like maybe they have their own playing place.
Yeah.
I don't think you'll find. And then what I like about the estate so far, I don't like how the other place they've not really taken care of where the kids should play.
Yeah, they don't have no for the
So
kids. play.
so kids are just playing like all over.
Yeah.
Went down there.
Oh, it's an apartment. The kids them out, as you can see.
Yeah.
Yeah, the kids them out. Yeah, like
But-
the sun
but-
it's different
But
inside here.
yeah. Yani there's a.
Yeah, family. So it's nice. It's a very
Smells-
nice place.
Smells
Picture
rich.
myself here.
Me, I'm already seeing myself, and you know, I'm already claiming it. This is where we are moving in.
Yeah. Oh,
This-
look at these kids there right here.
Oh,
A lot of kids right here. Actually, they're out and about.
this is where
And
we are.
everybody have them gate and stuff.
But that's what I like. Like nobody will like, you know.
Yeah, everybody have them gate, as you can see.
Yeah.
And the kids them here.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. She cannot even see. Pretty girl, how are you? Cute.
Yeah, family. So this is the place.
Love, you had better turn because the lighting is not so good. It's just
Pause it a little.
blazing. They don't look well.
Maybe it's the last.
Stuff. I think it looks more organized now.
It's the same, but it's the same design.
It's kind of the same design and the second stand. Start far. I think we are so deep on the right. Keep going. It's number 3. It's number 3. Oh, it's number 4. Huh? Show house. Okay. That's what it's in the arrow.
Oh, yeah.
See, I can see an arrow here written.
Show us. Yes, no, yes, it's the office.
Yeah, let's go.
I think so.
I love this one though. That take a small. Show house for bedroom. This is show house for bedroom.
5 bedroom, guys.
Okay. Oh, yeah, let's
we
go.
got the wrong place.
Well, it's okay to get lost.
4 bedrooms are 22 million. Call us.
Babubu, we can start here now. I'd rather buy here.
I don't think nobody there, sweetie. But I'm sure there's an office.
But this is show house. But here, he told me the 7th turn.
No, we take the wrong turn. Yeah, family. So we actually in a place called, what you call it, Evandale.
Okay.
Evandale in Jamaica, we have a place called Evandale.
This is Edenville.
Edenville, family. It's a similar place like where we live, as you can see. Where we live right now. We're just gonna take a tour because, as you know, guys.
But I love these stones, like.
Yeah, as you know, guys, we're actually adding to the family. So we actually have to look for a place.
Okay.
I see these house.
Now let me talk to this soldier. But if you ask me, because of the security in forest, Aki. Well, I'm not saying they'll still allow. I'm not saying they'll allow. I know the sun is just visible on that side.
Yeah, family. So as you can see, down here is a 4-bedroom, and we're heading up to the 3-bedroom.
You can be coming out and run up to I don't know where.
Yeah. Just walking the estate alone.
I don't think I'll mind whether it's old and stuff.
Yeah, we can ask the soldier. Then the place you're doing, they will have a different perspective. Yeah, family. So we just get some information from the soldier to connect us to our agent while we still search. This is the owner. Connect with.
That's what I'm telling him, and I don't want to deal with the agent because when you deal with the agent, what people don't know, when you deal with the agent, they'll want their share of the rent. So let's say the house is going for 80,000, and then the agent tells you it's 100k or 90,000. Be rest assured that 10,000 will be going in his pocket. You understand? So that's why I'm telling him. He's telling me I know the owner of that one. So once somebody nears,
so you have to go and start. The truth is small.
Sante.
Yeah, family. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Like, share, and comment. Let us know. These are some of the spots if you're looking to rent. You're from the diaspora and you want to live in a safe, gated community. This is supposed to be the coffee farm, right?
Even there where the
there now
to the motorbike.
to buy.
And we're actually still going there.
Yeah, family. So you actually come to the estate.
The hardworking young man.
Yeah, family. So like,
Anyway,
share, and comment
So
on
this
the
is
video.
Yeah. Kiambu back then. My mother, when they were kids, my mother has grown up in Kiambu. So they used to work in this coffee plant. Yeah. So like, share, comment, subscribe.
And let us know your thoughts on this video. We are out. One love, Jamaica. We're back in Africa.
Yeah.
Motherland. We never go away. When they say there is no point of return, we return. From the fourth parents,
Yeah.
we return back and we're building the family back, family.